Viewers, now let's turn our focus to the farmers, where amid the showdown and protests, the farmers have suspended their march to the national capital. This after tear gas was lobbed and clashes broke out at the Shambu border. The farmers are protesting for a legal guarantee on MSP suspended their foot march to Delhi after several of them were injured in a clash with the Haryana police at the Shambu border. The batch of 101 farmers began the march, but was stopped by barricades and tear gas shells fired by security forces. Meanwhile, Haryana authorities have imposed internet bans and closed schools in the affected areas. The 101 group of farmers who were all set to march to the national capital requesting or asking for the MSP, that's a minimum support price, have suspended their march following the tear gas and the clashes that broke out with the Haryana police. We're joined live by my colleague Lalit, who's joining us live from the Shambu border. Lalit, help us understand now that the farmers had to suspend their foot march to Delhi yesterday following the clashes that broke out with the Haryana police. What's the status today?
If we talk about the today's status, today farmers are waiting that the Haryana administration would be talking to them, as they have suspended their foot march to Delhi for a day. Tomorrow, once again, the farmers would be marching towards Delhi. But if you talk about, it's been around 10 months that farmers in the Shambu border are protesting, and they are demanding that the legal guarantee should be given for the crops. So that is what their demands are. But if you talk about the tomorrow's march towards Delhi, very clearly farmers have said that before that, when they have marched, they have tractors and trolleys. But this time, all the farmers are marching without tractors and trolleys, but still, they are being stopped. And the way yesterday the clash took place, as the police have lobbed the tear gas shell and the rubber pellets on the farmers. Farmers are saying that they are walking barefoot and they have nothing in their hand. But still, they are not allowed to march towards Delhi. They are just protesting and forcing that the legal minimum price for the crops should be given to the farmers. So they have suspended their protest for a day, and tomorrow once again farmers would be marching towards Delhi. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Lalit, for those details. Coming in as the farmers were forced to suspend their protest march to Delhi for the day, and it's likely to resume tomorrow. Whereas the farmers who were also to the capital of India for the foot march demanding the legal price for the minimum support price was stopped by the police and barricades that were placed. In fact, it made it very difficult for them to continue their foot march protests. Now, we learned that the farmers are likely to resume their protests on Monday following the suspension that had to take place after several of the farmers were injured. In fact, we learned that they're going to start the protest march yet again tomorrow after a day's rest. The farmers will be holding talks with the centre today. In fact, farmer leaders have said that they will resume their march on Monday if the talks fail. On Friday, 6 farmers were injured as police resorted to baton charge and firing tear gas shells on the protesters at the Shambu border. Watch this report for all the details.
As the farmers come out on roads in protest, they will be meeting with the government today over their demands. Farmer leader Sarwan Singh said they will remain peaceful and don't want a confrontation with the government.
101 का जथा इसी तरह से आगे बढ़ेगा। कल का हमने केंद्र को समय दिया है और अपनी ओर से पीसफुल रखने के लिए हम सरकार के साथ टकराव नहीं चाहते हैं, इसलिए दोनों फोरमों ने उचित निर्णय लेके रखा। भी हम टकराव अपनी ओर से नहीं चाहते हैं।
The talks came a day after the police in Haryana had to resort to firing tear gas shells and baton charge to stop protesting farmers at the Shambu border.
It was expected to be a peaceful march through which the farmers would walk towards Delhi in order to register their dissent. Instead, what we witnessed again at Shambhu border was a kind of a showdown where you saw an aggressive stand once again taken by the Haryana police and the state government machinery, which prevented the farmers of moving ahead towards Delhi. You can understand that what exactly was the security situation. The security situation still prevails. There are still large quantity of Haryana police officials along with paramilitary forces which are present over here. Today, Sarvan Singh Pandey, the person who is heading the Bharatiya Kisan Mazdoor Parishad, one of the farmer unions that was a part of this protest march and one continues to be a part of this protest march at Shambhu border, said that they are willing to have dialogue again with the central government, but now the central government should again ask them to come forward and have a discussion on the demands which they have.
A jatha of 101 farmers will march towards Delhi on December 8. On Friday, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan clarified that the minimum support price is provided when a crop is sold at prices lower than the MSP. He reassured that the government is committed to the welfare of farmers and highlighted efforts to increase MSP and ensure the purchase of crops at MSP levels.
एमएसपी तब देते हैं जब एमएसपी की जो दरें होती उससे नीची दरों पर अनाज या बाकी उत्पादन बिकता है। अब कई फसलें ऐसी है जो अभी भी एमएसपी के ऊपर बिक रही है, उन पर एमएसपी देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। एमएसपी पर जो खरीद हुई है उसकी भी। मैं खरीफ की बात अगर करूं तो 2004 से 14 तक कुल जो खरीद हुई थी 46 करोड़ 79 लाख मीट्रिक टन और 14 से 24 के बीच में 71 करोड़ 27 लाख मीट्रिक।
Meanwhile, Congress MP Randeep Singh Surjewala claimed the agriculture minister evaded question on legal MSP.
अन्नदाता किसान जिसे धरती का भगवान कहा जाता है, उस धरती के भगवान को अब डंडे, लाठी, अश्रु गैस, नश्तर, कीले और कंक्रीट की दीवारें बनाकर रोका जा रहा है। जब देश के कृषि मंत्री से पूछा गया कि कृषि की खेती की एमएसपी की गारंटी का कानून बनाएंगे या नहीं, तो वो सरेआम उसे टाल गए। जब ये पूछा गया कि किसान को कर्ज से राहत मिलेगी या नहीं, तो उससे भी वो इनकार कर गए।
Farmers are demanding a legal guarantee of MSP, no hikes in electricity tariffs, a debt waiver, pension for farmers and laborers, and justice for Lakhimpur Kheri victims.